So all we do is drive axle minus drive axle, and we come up with 4,120 pounds. Now that was a vital bit of information for us because our Gen Y hitch is telling us that we're overweight, and it's rated up to 4.5K, 4,500 pounds. Now we're proving that we're under that by a big margin, but it's showing that we're overloaded. So I'm actually in the process of returning the Gen Y hitch for warranty.
Hey you crew, if you guys haven't met us before, I'm Jamie, and this is my wife Princess. For the last few years, we've been traveling around the world. Well, almost. We began sailing around the world on our super awesome aluminum performance sailing catamaran, Jupiter 2. 4 years of full-time sailing, all the way from Asia, Africa to the Americas, until we ran out of money. For me, it was back to work, which, to be honest, ain't too bad. But we need a place to live and we need to keep exploring. Only one answer: RVing America.
Today is the day. Gen Y 4.5K coming off. We're going to go pick up the new 5.5K because this one's telling us we're overloaded, but we're not. So they've deemed it a failure and they're replacing it on warranty. It's going to be a heavy job. I might have to try and find someone else to give me a hand later on to put it back on. It's heavy. You only need to go forward that much, okay? Open this back window so you can hear me. All right, so the idea is it's balanced on these beams. Most of the weight's on the beams. There's nothing holding it to the trailer. We're gonna drive forward. I've got it tied so that it pulls. And then I'm gonna push it onto the dog bed. All right, baby. You can go just very slowly. Yeah, slow. That's too fast. Can you go slower? Yeah, just like that. Inch it. Okay, you've just got 4 inches. Very good. Very good. Yeah, drive out a little. Well, that went better than expected, actually. Happy with that. Now we've got to do the same in reverse. Got to try and put it on that way. Unless I can get some guys to give me a hand.
So the old hitch is inside the box now, and this is our new hitch.
Well, half the job done, unfortunately. Yes, we got the new hitch. That's great. Thank you, Gen Y, for doing that. But the return paperwork, there's no bill of lading. There's no who's paying for it. So they didn't let me return it. But, whoa, fuck. Ow. Serious?
Oh my god. It's gonna hit the road.
Who would have thought that? Oh, that's why it says stop here. So now we got 2 hitches in the back of the truck.
Yeah.
And we got to find somewhere to put them. I tried to call Gen Y, but they're not answering. Indiana, a couple hours behind. So it was just before 5 when I was calling them, and no answer. Give me a map to go home, will you, please, bud?
right, the day has come. We picked up our new hitch before I went to work. And we were supposed to drop the old hitch off, but the freight people wouldn't accept it because the paperwork was incorrect. So we got both hitches in the back there now. So today we're going to put on the new hitch. It is 5,500 pound hitch. The one we had before was 4,500 pound. Our trailer pin weight was 4,100 pound. The previous hitch should have been able to handle that. Should have been up to 4.5, yeah? But it was saying overloaded. So the only explanation is that the rubbers in the torsion flex system were underrated. So we're sending it back. And they've sent us a new one, the bigger one, under warranty. So thanks Gen Y. Now I just got to get this heavy thing on the trailer. I think I might need your help, wife. All right, let's see how we go. I'm going to try put it in the back of the truck to start with. Drive it to the front. All right. You go up. Take it more. That's it. Good job.
You're gonna put the trailer up?
Yeah. Yeah, I guess we have to. All right, so the plan is we're going to back the truck under the RV. We're going to raise the RV. We're going to pull up the back jacks and push up the front jacks so that it sits higher, because at the moment these two are going to meet. So we're going to raise it up a few more inches, spin the hitch around, of course, and then build a prop under it like we did to get the other one off. Yeah, good. I think. So we'll put this part just here, and then all we've got to do is lift it up a couple of inches to be able to put the first bolts through the pin box here. I think this will work. Let me get some blocks of wood and that sort of thing, so we'll do that. So we're going to leave all the sewer, the power, everything. I don't think anything's going to get in the way. We've got the back tailgate down too. It's sitting on its rubber stoppers. I think it'll be fine too. So we'll start by retracting the rear. And now we're going to raise the front. So I'm going to back the track up a little bit.
What?
I think we need a little more.
Yeah.
We can always bring it down close to the truck. Alright, now go get the blocks of wood.
I feel like we need 3 people.
I can do it by myself. Yeah, we can do this, don't worry.
Okay.
Might use that. We'll use. Let's see how we go with these. Jeez, she's dippy, see?
That's it?
That's too high. Okay,
Too
so
high.
take off 3.
Maybe 2 more. We need more than that.
Yeah, you're right. We sort of do need to lift it, don't we? Alright, now I'm going to get in and we'll jack the front up. Because I just hope it doesn't clonk down. Get rid of that. And that should work. Okay. Looking good. Put on the... Maybe go 3rd. Good. It's pretty good. Alright. Now we need to raise this up. So I'm going to lift this. You're going to put that on top of that block. That's pretty good.
Really? It's gonna fall back.
It's just, yeah, balancing.
You see that? Oh my gosh.
Just balancing.
It's too high.
What else could we use? That's too high.
I think
Can we
it's
just
fine,
put it
right?
down?
It's fine. It's just I'm afraid it's gonna fall.
Well, definitely.
Just hold it and tell me.
It's really not going to stay.
Yeah. But at least it's some support.
Alright, so you open the back window so you can hear me. Alright, just slowly reverse. Okay, stop. Alright, slowly back. Just slow, slow, slow. You're gonna have to push the accelerator very, very gently. That's it. Stop. You're 4 inches, so just keep going slowly. Little. Whoa. Alright, it's good. So nearly touching now. So it's a few more inches. Don't jab the brake. Okay, we're touching. Whoa, stop, 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 stop. Alright, so we got about 6 inches of travel left. Can probably just push it, you know, from here. But it's still not up high enough up this end, so we've got to get that into position. I don't know if we should move because it's 6 inches, about that much. I don't know if I can push it. I should be able to just push because the pin box is going to hold it. There we go, see?
Oh.
How much to the end? Nearly off.
B. Yeah. Be careful, B here. It's gonna fall.
So the idea is to get the bottom 2 in, and we can do that shortly. Wait. Nearly there.
I don't see any hole.
Yeah.
I think you need to lift it a little bit.
Coming down. Yes. I got a hole. Get a screwdriver.
Can you see?
Got a little bit of hole.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's not supporting anymore.
I don't think it ever was.
Whoa, yay! More. Oh, yeah, a little bit.
Yes.
Yay.
1. Alright. Next will be for me to lift the forward end, and then wife, you will have to insert.
Sure.
Alright. Perfecto.
Down, down, down. It's like half of it.
Half what? Oh, just half the hole.
Yeah.
So what about the back holes? Hey, look.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I said. There's 6 holes. Surely there's one that's lined up.
Okay. I didn't see any hole when you lift it. Can you lift it again? Oh, yeah. Okay. Maybe I can put the bolt on the top here. Yay.
Thanks. Stop. Move your head. Alright, so that's a start.
That's one.
Getting lined up, yeah. Any holes are gold. Do I need to lift or?
Yeah. Lift. Lift more. It's a bit. Need to move a little bit. You have to look on this side.
These don't look anywhere near centered.
Yeah.
The back ones are in, but the front ones are just not where they should be.
Ready?
Yeah.
Up.
So you just said me do the screw.
Yeah. Put it up again. Yeah.
Yes.
Yay.
Is it in?
Yeah. Not all the way, but.
Alright,
Yeah.
I'll get a hammer and give it a tap. Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah.
Good
alright.
job.
It's working. That was all. I think I might put 3 on the back, 2 on the front for now. I think it's time. Let's just get one bolt on the front on this side, and then we'll drive the truck away. It'll be fine. I just need to lift a bit, you know.
It's not even in the middle.
Well,
I don't know why.
So this, I'm sure I found this last time too. The holes just don't line up exactly. You know, I sent detailed measurements. It's the standard Lippert 1621 pin box, but yeah, the holes are not lining up great. I managed to get it on last time, and we're going to keep trying this time. But wow, you know, that's like a ½ an inch out.
Can I lift it?
Yes. One more. Oh, done. Just going to firm them all up so that it all fits squarely, you know, before we tighten it down to torque. There we go. Turn. Someone's going to say, why don't you use your impact drill? And it's because I can't be bothered turning on the compressor and pulling the line out, you know. Just do it manually. Alright, that's the last one. 160 foot-pounds, Gen Y 5.5K. And let's have a look. Oh, they've not given us a sticker for loading. They did say those stickers were known to be inaccurate. So the way we're going to tell is that when we put the weight of the trailer on the other hitch, these were horizontal. There was nothing left to give. Should not be horizontal, should be just slanted slightly. So when we hitch up tomorrow, we'll have a look. See how it looks. It's got to be a lot better. There's like over 1,200 pound extra spring in this one, hopefully. So thanks Gen Y for looking after us with a warranty. Now we've got to send the other one back to you. You really want it back? Okay, I'll send it back.
Oh, shit. Ooh. Fuck. Hey, stop. Something's scratching here.
We've got some problem with the spring. Broken spring up there. I see it now. It's actually the other side. Well, that's it. You know, aeroplanes, if you fly above 10,000 feet, you need to carry oxygen. You need to have oxygen. I feel like I'm slurring a little bit, and it's probably, I can't even say properly.